Well, welcome back everybody. This is going to be our first episode of how to make your Geo Metro faster. Like I said before, this applies to the 1.03 cylinder. Let me flip this camera around and I'll show you what's going on. And alright everybody, I got the camera flipped around here. Now as you can see, I got stuff piled up on the hood of this car. I told y'all I was going to weigh this car yesterday. So our first real video is we're going to get a baseline on the car. And that's going to tell us what we're working with, the car's health, and how we may need to go about things. So enough talking about it. AC condenser, the AC compressor and tensioner, and the lines are just kind of laid in where they go. Using my set of Proform scales. They were zeroed out previously. The car has about 3/4 of a tank of fuel in it. And we're at 1,701 pounds. So let's just say for our first mod, I'm going to remove the AC stuff. Now this morning I did have this stuff in the car and I made a baseline pull with it. So I have 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile times. I will drop it in after this clip right here. And then I'll be back. And alright, I got all our weight removed for our AC system. So we knew what the car weighed before. And now we're at 1,680 pounds. The weight bias don't matter as much on this car as it would say you were building a high-powered race car. We're just doing some simple mods here. So for weight reduction, we done lost quite a bit of weight. Now, there's only one other thing that I'm really willing to take out of this car right now. And that's it's got a full-size spare tire in the back. So let me pull it out and we'll see what we got there. And alright, our spare tire's out. You can see it over on the table. And here's our change from removing a full-size spare tire from the car. Now, this car has no jack and tools, so as you can see, we're losing quite a bit of weight so far. Things that I will remove later is some of the interior stuff. I really don't have a use for a back seat in this car. I'm going to use it to kind of haul stuff around with in the long run. So that'll be in a later episode. So basically, now that we have a baseline weight, I'm going to make another pass in this car on my way home tonight. And we'll see if it picked up anything. And for our next episode, we'll do some airflow mods here. It's still got the full-size baffle and the fender. It's got a stock air filter in it. It's still got the stock air bridge. So for our next mod, we're going to advance the timing some more. We're going to remove the air bridge. We're going to remove all this baffle in here. And we're just going to leave the air filter housing box assembly there. Let's see what kind of difference it makes. So if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. Remember, 500 subscribers, I'm going to do some kind of cool giveaway. And at 1,000, I'm going to give something even bigger and cooler away. So, basically, that's going to be it for this video. These are going to be kind of short videos. And we'll see you tomorrow.